See, little naughty. Little naughty, what you do with the Christmas tree? Hmm? What you do? Let's see. Look. Look, all the present is open now. Look. All open already. Look. And look the light. The light. All the light gone. And look the tree and the decoration. All messy. Messy. Huh? Who make it messy? Messy, huh? Look. All her toy. Look this way. Who do this? Dude, where you go? Where you want to go? Little. Dude. Oh, maybe close to the Christmas tree. Close to the Christmas day, then I need to repair it again. Mommy need repair it again. All light, see, light all gone. Look. Like that. How it work, huh? Little. How it work? See. Oh, the girl. Only her. Tokyo, he doesn't do this. Huh? He not do this. Never. How many pieces the light become? Little. How many pieces? Oh, this girl. The girl. Ay, yo. Don't worry, we turn off the plug already. Before, mommy repair every day, but now, let her play until close to the Christmas day, then repair it, maybe at 23 something. If not, gone again. If not, gone again. Dun 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 dun. Akati not D not. Take. Toy everywhere. A little toy inside the tree. Lucky she can't climb up.